Hey guys, Dalton RV here. We've got a 2021 Forest River Gray Wolf Limited 29 TE. Take a quick look on the outside. You do have the flip down travel rack in the back, as well as a backup camera already installed. You have a great campsite kitchen on this unit. Has your ice maker, a storage tray for your kitchen or outdoor grilling utensils, a really nice gas grill, hot and cold water in the sink there, storage cabinets above, as well as a 110 outlet on the wall. Has your Cherokee stable steps. Of course, aluminum wheels, Radial tires, nitrogen filled. Great outdoor entertaining with a large 16-foot awning, TV bracket, and outdoor speakers with LED lighting. Here you have a separate entrance into the bathroom. And of course, storage underneath the coach. Battery and a battery box, as well as 2 propane bottles. Outdoor shower, hot and cold water. Large slide. More outdoor storage underneath the bunk house. Take a look inside. Large grab handle. Inside is nice and bright. You do have a skylight overhead. There's your U-shaped dinette and jackknife sofa, which both convert into beds. This camper will sleep up to 9 people. You have your control center here, voltmeter, audio system by Driven Audio. Has indoor and outdoor speakers with a ceiling mounted 200 watt 8-inch subwoofer. You have your solid thermofoil countertops, large black stainless steel farm style sink. Really nice spring assisted faucet sprayer. Cabinets, microwave, vent hood, 3-burner cooktop and oven. And you have a cutting board back here that also can use a backsplash. You have a 12-volt high efficiency fridge and freezer, 10 cubic feet. There is your 200 watt 8-inch subwoofer. Nice pantry with shelving. Has a lip on the shelf to keep all your canned goods and items from sliding off during towing. You have your TV mount, as well as all of your TV hookups, 110 outlet. Of course, has your smoke detector, CO2 detector. In the back of the camper, you have 3 bunks. Cabinets for storage, stairs for the bunk bed, and of course your TV hookups and USB charging stations. It does have the zebra blinds, which are really nice. You can adjust just how much light you want to come into the camper. Here's your bathroom. It does have a separate entrance from exterior of the camper here. Large corner shower with a skylight above. There's your vent fan, variable speed vent fan. Medicine cabinet over the sink. In the master bedroom, you have a walk-around queen bed with wardrobe storage on each side and above the bed. You have your 110 outlet and USB charging station. You do have a backer for a TV mount in the wall and more TV hookups in your bedroom. This camper is right at 30 feet in length, box length, about 34 feet total. Come see us at Dalton RV, 706-529-3300.